Hi, Namaskaram. I am Vinita and today I am very happy that मुझे अपना आदि योगी के रुद्राक्ष दीक्षा मिल गई है। तो वी विल हैव अ स्मॉल अनपैकिंग वीडियो और फिर मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगी कि इस रुद्राक्ष को कैसे यूज़ करना है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अनबॉक्सिंग। तो टू स्टार्ट विथ अगर आप देख रहे हैं तो इसका जो कवर है बहुत ही अच्छा है। इट इज़ वेल पैक्ड। ये मुझे ऐसे रिसीव हुआ था। नाउ आई एम ओपनिंग इट। Now these are the contents. And this is a Rudraksh that I have received. Jai Shiv Shambho. We have received a small postcard with Adi Yogi and these are what to do. Also we have received a Vibhuti and the Rudraksh along with it. Now I will tell you step by step how to use this Rudraksh, how to energize it, and then what is the use of Rudraksh. So I'll just open this bundle first. It's very cutely packed. As a woman, I would use the word cute because I found it very cute. So now as I open this potli, this is the Rudraksh. As you see, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is called as a Panchmukhi Rudraksh. Okay. Now this is an original Rudraksh which Sadhguru himself energized on 11th of March. That was Mahashivratri. I participated into that event online and I was awake for the entire night. It was a really good event. If you want to see, you can, I'll tag that link in my YouTube section description. You can definitely go through it. Now along with the Rudraksh, you receive 2 threads. Okay, I don't want to tangle them, but then you will receive 2 threads. One is a small thread that you can tie around your wrist, and second is a long thread which you can use if you want to wear the Rudraksh around your neck. For women, it is recommended that you can tie the Rudraksh on your left wrist. For men, you can tie it on the right wrist. Now, how do you energize with Rudraksh, right? So first thing, you need to soak this Rudraksh in ghee, in cow ghee, for at least 24 hours. And the vessel that you are using, you can use any vessel except for copper. After doing that, you take out the Rudraksh from there and then you again soak it for 24 hours in full fat cow milk. Okay. Now keep this Rudraksh soaked there again for next 24 hours. After that, take the Rudraksh in your right hand, add this Vibhuti, okay, put this Vibhuti on your hand and just keep this Rudraksh like this and close your palms, okay. So the ghee will absorb the Vibhuti as well as the Vibhuti will absorb all the essence of ghee or milk that is there in the Rudraksh. After this will be energized and then you see there is a small hole over here. You can put the thread through the hole and wear it. Now why do we use a Rudraksh, right? So they say that Sadhguru also says that Rudraksh helps you to prepare to have a cocoon around your body. Okay, it can be like a protective cover which will protect you from all the negative energies in the environment. It is not necessary that somebody is doing bad for you, but Rudraksh will protect you even from any negative vibrations or negative energy if you are just passing through or you come in way of that energy. Secondly, in the ancient times, the rishis and sadhus they used to travel to various places and there could be chances that the water they are drinking or the food they are having is already poisoned, right? So they used to have this Rudraksh mala Okay, and if you put a rudraksh on top of any water or any food that you want to know whether it is positive or negative, that whether it is pure or poisonous, you just need to hold it this way. If the rudraksh starts going clockwise, that means it's a pure thing. If the rudraksh rotates anti-clockwise, that means you need not have that. It might have negative energy or it might be poisonous. So this is little knowledge that I have about it. I am doing my bit of research. In my coming videos, I will definitely try to give you more information on Rudraksh, and also any other additional information or stories that I get to know about the Rudraksh. Thank you so much for watching it.